Right. Spirit in your heart is very important to keep spirit, your healthy spirit in your heart. But today, people want to put away spirit, put away from their self. So their spirit to put in cars, to put in something else, but not in the heart. Your spirit used to be in your heart, and if it is in your heart, your spirit will be very good spirit. But Satan want to put away your spirit from your heart. Satan wants spirit not to be in your heart. Spirit to be in the cars. Spirit to be outside, not inside. Because inside is the kingdom of heaven. That said Jesus. But because of that, men have to put his spirit in your heart and keep to be awake on the spirit, to be in their heart, in the kingdom heart. Then when it is happening, it will be very good. But today people want to be out of themselves. They want to be out of mind. They don't want to keep their spirit in their heart. They don't want kingdom of heaven. They don't want. But they want something else. They want their spirit to be in the cars, to be somewhere outside, but not in their heart. The program of New World Order is keep spirit away from heart. Program is New World Order, spirit to be in television, to work, or in cars or on airplanes. Airplanes are not existing. Spirit is existing in humans, but airplanes not exist. They don't exist. Airplanes, cars, buildings, everything what men create don't exist. Do you know why? Because your spirit is existed your spirit. Your spirit is something what exists, not airplane. Airplane is a product of imagination, human imagination. Airplanes, we see airplanes, sometimes they are on the sky, but you have to keep yourself, your existence, keep away from airplanes, from modern life, from expensive cars, for example, because the expensive cars are far away from your heart. But if you put your spirit, your spirit in airplanes or in cars to exist in there, you will not exist. Because something dead, because the airplane is dead, will exist instead of you. Understand? Because please realize, please keep your spirits in your heart. Satan wants your spirit to be far away from your heart, because Jesus said, kingdom of heaven is in your heart, in ourselves. But devil don't want that. Devil want to live in your heart and your spirit to be something like disease, you know. to be on airplanes, to be outside, somewhere outside but not in your heart.